Sister Crawford. So this is my final project presentation, so I can't wait to tell you about the music video idea I have to make a music video to the song Gravity by Sara Bareilles. Okay, so this is a picture of her just for fun, but these are the song lyrics. So it should be really BYUI appropriate. I think she has a really good voice and she's such a talented songwriter, so I'm just really excited to use this song. But you can check over the lyrics here. And next we have performers and producers. So I'm going to be the main producer since it's my project. I'm going to oversee that everything gets done, and I'll be performing in it as well, but I did bring in a couple of other performers to help me out. So first we have Junior Tovar on the piano. He's in a quartet with me, and he's such an enthusiastic musician and he's really talented. So I think he'll do a really great job. And we're also going to have someone playing cello. So that's Christian Martinez. He's also in that same quartet. He's also a really awesome musician. So they're both really excited to help me out with this. And I already have them working on their parts. We found an arrangement for piano, cello, and voice/violin. So we're going to use that. And instead of using a violin, we're going to have voice. So that's going to be me. I'm going to be the one singing. I've been practicing as well. I'm not a professional vocalist, but I think that I can do a good job, and I have some people coaching me on how to do better. So I'm also going to be dancing in it. So this is the part that possibly I'm most excited about because I took ballet for 9 years, I think, and I really miss it because I don't really dance anymore. But we would do projects while I was dancing where we would choreograph our own dances. So I have experience with choreographing. I've also taught classes before, and I've choreographed dances for those classes that were put in performances. So I definitely do have experience with choreographing and dancing, and I'm just really excited to be able to put it into a project like this. So most of the video of the music video is probably going to be the dance. Next, a choreographer, that's me. Cameraman and lighting is going to be by Michael Byrne. So he's going to help us out with all of our shots and making sure that they all look good. Alright, so audio recording. So the recording dates I've set are the 22nd and 23rd, and those are the dates that you suggested to us on the schedule, so I think that that's a good idea. We're going to do piano and cello on the 22nd, vocals on the 23rd, and that's purely just to split up the workload between both days. But since everyone's already been practicing, I think we should be able to hit those deadlines easily. So editing dates are the 24th and 25th. That's when I'll be doing the audio editing, and I should be able to get it turned in by the deadline on Saturday. And all the recordings are going to be done with my Rode VideoMic Pro, and that's the mic I've been using for all of my assignments so far, so I'm pretty sure that it will work out just fine. Okay, so video recording. That will be March 3rd and 4th, which are also on the schedule that you've set aside for us. So the location that we're going to be filming in is the North Point Courtyard and North Point Dance Studio. That's where I live. So I know that I can use the courtyard, and we won't be doing many shots in the courtyard. And the dance studio, I know we should be able to use as well, but I put or the Barris Concert Hall because I thought it would be really cool to film in the Barris Concert Hall, but I'm not actually sure if we would have permission to film there yet or not. So what I'm going to do is I've already asked some people if we can have permission, and I'm waiting to hear back from them. So if we don't get permission to film in the Barris Concert Hall, we'll just move ahead with the North Point Dance Studio. If we do, then we'll probably film there. So either way, we'll be covered. Costumes. So I'm going to be wearing dance clothes for the dance shots, of course, because I need to wear something that I can move in easily. So that will either be a t-shirt and leggings or a ballet leotard with tights. And for the other shots in the North Point Courtyard, I will just be wearing regular street clothes, just a regular outfit. Okay, so I think that's everything, but I definitely want to hear feedback. If there's anything you can help me with or anything that you need to remind me to do better, then that would be really great. And I thank you so much for your time.